What's the meaning of bandana? Bandana. Bandana.
Bandana. Bandana. A bandana is a type of cloth, typically a square or triangle, that is used as a head covering or accessory. It is often made of cotton or silk and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. The term bandana is derived from the Hindi word bandna, which means to tie. Bandanas have a long history and have been used by various cultures for centuries. They were originally used as a way to protect oneself from the sun and wind, but have since become a popular fashion accessory. In modern times, they are often worn as a symbol of cultural identity or to make a fashion statement.